Have a good day, dear employer. My name is Joanna Moroso. I am 46 years old. I am married. I have two kids, a boy and a girl. I had experience working abroad, 4 years in Kuwait. They have four members in the family, two kids and two adults. My duties there is to cleaning the house, cooking their food, washing their clothes, ironing, washing their cars, bringing the kids into school. And in Hong Kong, I had experience 1 year and 8 months. I take care a newborn baby, and they have three members in the family and two cats. My duties is to take care the newborn baby, feeding her, um, taking a bath of hair, and washing their clothes, ironing, cleaning the house, and cooking. Go marketing also. And in Singapore, they have five members in the family, uh, two adults and three kids. They are 8 years old, 6 years old, and 1 year and 2 months old. My duties is there is cleaning the house, cooking, ironing, bringing the kids into school, picking them up in school, and washing cars and gardening. I want to go abroad because I want to support my family financially, and especially my two kids because they are going to school. Um, I am a long patient, understanding, loving the kids, trustworthy, and God fearing. Hope that I will meet you soon, uh, their employer. Thank you, and have a good day. God bless.